You're welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've always been here, you're welcome back. This is Tega, and in this video today, I'll be showing you how to make women's pajama shorts. Very easy, guys. No hassle at all. So let's just get straight into the video. I'll be making use of an A4 paper for the pattern drafting. So you want to grab your pattern paper if you have a big size one, and I'll be making use of centimeters instead of inches, but I'll be mentioning inches. So you want to fold your fabric over like this, or your pattern paper, as I've done here, making sure the width of the paper or your fabric will accommodate the size of one of your tie. So you want to take 2 inches first for the band at the very top of your paper. You want to make sure you have nice edges. So 2 inches and roll a line across, and that's for your band. Next, you want to take your crotch measurement, and you're gonna take it from that line there. So whatever your crotch measurement is, you want to mark it down. Might be 10, might be 11, and you want to add 2 inches. Remember, it's a night pajama short. You want to be free as much as possible. You don't want it to be tight. So you want to add the 2 inches and rule a line across. And that's just the length of your crotch. That's it. So once you've done that, you want to move on to add the length of the short. Add the length of the short and also add your hem allowance. For this pattern drafting, you may wonder, we wouldn't need the hip measurement at all. No need for it. So now you want to add your tie measurement, which is one of your tie circumference divided by 2, not both, only one of your tie measurement divided by 2. So you want to mark it right there. Then you want to add 1.5 inches again to it. 1.5 inches or 2 inches. If it's for someone with a bigger tie, you want to add 2 inches instead of the 1.5 inches. So the same measurement you've got on the crotch line there, the measurement for the tie divided by 2, you want to take the same measurement by the waistband line there and rule a line to connect that. You need to rule the line to the edge of the paper for the band, but I'll do that in a bit. Before then, I'm just gonna draft the curve. So you wanna watch what I'm doing here. Pay attention to how I'm drafting the curve. You wanna connect the crotch curve to the length of the short, right up to your hemline like that, in a straight line, or make it a bit slant. And I want to go back to my band and roll that line. I forgot to roll before because that's my band right up there. So I've got 2 inches band there, allowance. Then I've got my crotch line. That's it. And that's the short length. Right. And that next line is the hem allowance. And that's my crotch curve. That's it, guys. So you want to grab your scissors and just cut. Once you finish cutting, you should have something like this. So there's no side seam, guys, and it has both the front panel and the back panel all embedded in one. This is just one leg, so we're gonna cut the other leg now, and that also has the front and the back panel embedded in it with no side seam. I would cut a regular pant differently, but this is just straightforward. You're gonna use the same pattern for the second one as well. So there's no slanting of the front and hiring of the back, you know, like we normally do in other pant drafting tutorials. This is just gonna be the same measurement, so you need two of this. Basically, one represents one leg and the other represents the other leg. I'm gonna draft the second leg now and cut. Now you've got two panels, no side seam when folded like that, right? To start the process of stitching, you wanna stitch the midpoint together, see, like that. Right side facing right side and stitch like that up to the crotch there and stop. Then you're gonna repeat the same process for the other side. So now I've cut it on my fabric here. Like I said, you want to place right side facing right side like that before you start your stitching. Apply pins to make sure it's secure before you start stitching. If you're confident without pins, you can go ahead and start your stitching. So I've pinned up to that point, and make sure you don't sew the rest of the pant. Avoid that bit of the pant, so avoid that, don't forget. So you want to go ahead and stitch. I'm not stitching here yet, I'm just demonstrating. So you want to flip it over like that once you have stitched, and once your stitching is done, you should have something like this. Now the pant is formed, as you can see, and the two legs apart. So what you need to do next is to stitch across. Basically just stitch over, or if you want, you can start sew one leg, then you can stitch the other leg, but I'm just gonna stitch across. Once that is done, you would have something like this, and move on to the band. Take your 2 inches allowance, fold it right, and apply your elastic band. So here I just carried on with the rest of the stitching. So straightforward, guys, no hassle. And this is the finished look. Very simple pajama short. I hope this video will help someone looking to make this. In fact, you can make about 5 in a day. It's as straightforward as that. Once you have drafted your pattern, so easy. Now this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, as always, look after yourself and bye for now.